Congratulations! We're so happy for you. Dusty, syempre Dusty, ang bongga, no? Sunod-sunod yung mga milestones sa buhay mo. And gano'n ka-proud kasi ikaw yung first local endorser ng Aloe Magic.
Of course, before I answer your question, Tito Jude, I'm so happy to see you here. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta.
Yeah, and, I'm so happy also to see you here. The last time I saw you was in Dubai.
In Dubai pa, sa mall, nagsha-shopping ka.
Ikaw nagsha-shopping.
Anyways, kidding aside. Of course, very proud na ako yung first local artist na magiging endorser na Aloe Magic Care. Ayun nga, pinag-usapan namin a while ago. After Korea, nagkaroon sila ng Thai actor na endorser. Tapos next is ako na. So, kanina sinasabi ko sa kanila na grabe, sobrang laki ng tiwala na binigay nila sa akin. And of course, ako, may ibabalik ko yun. Hindi ko siya may ibabalik ng basta-basta ng thank you lang. So, natuwa ako kasi sinabi nila sa akin na mag-grow ako kasama sila. And yun yung hinahanap ko sa mga brands na makukuha natin. Of course, ako kasi, if you know me, advocate naman ng wellness. Marami akong ginagawa in life. And super swak ng brand na to kasi, ayun nga, nag-work ako almost every day. Tapos, mahilig ako sa sports. So, by that being said, madalas sumakit yung katawan ko. so, I'm happy na yung product na na-endorse ko is magagamit ko siya every day. And super proud. And wala, no words can express how happy I am now. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Dusty. Can you say April and Miss Colleen, after hearing yung sinabi ni Dusty kung gano'n siya ka-excited na natutuwa na he's the first local endorser of Aloe Magic. Kayo, bakit po si Dusty ang naisipan nyo na kunin? Kasi, syempre, nakakabilib na talagang mga malalaking celebrities from abroad yung mga nauna nyo, di ba? And bakit kayo bilang Pilipino na mismo, Filipino celebrity? And why Dusty?
Thank you. Obviously, Dustin actually represents the brand. So, sabi nga niya, diba, yung wellness, siya mismo into that. Also, we see a lot of potential kasi dito sa bata ang tawag ko, no? Parang ang na age gap kay Dustin. And he is fit for the brand, and we know that he can uphold that standards, the kind of standard that we started. Actually, siya yung first ever local endorser, brand endorser. But we had some celebrity partners in the past naman, like Liza De Castro, Mamang Pokwang, Pinay. But first namin ever na nag-sign for brand endorser at si Dustin yun.
Yes, Ms. Pump.
Dustin's passion for wellness and commitment to living a healthy, balanced, and mindful life perfectly aligned with Aloe Magic Care. So, fit talaga siya, and nakikita natin yung impact kasi ni Dustin today. He is very impactful pagdating sa mga brands. So, I've said this before, that Dustin is a perfect choice for Aloe Magic Care.
Congratulations again, Dusty. Thank you, Kuya Mix.
Thank you so much, Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Another brand endorsement for you. Marami sa amin tatanong, nakapagpapahinga ka ba sa dami ng ginagawa mo these days?
Nakapagpahinga pa ba ako? Actually, mukhang simple yung tanong, no? Pero honestly, paano ba? Of course, with all the work na kailangan ko gawin after PBB, hindi ako masyado nakakapagpahinga. But then, kinokontrol ko yung mindset ko na parang every time na pauwi ako, mag-spend ako ng how many minutes with my parents. So, yun yung rest for me now. Yung kasama ko yung mga siblings ko, mga cousins ko, na kahit na isang set aside yung trabaho and kahit hindi ako nakakapagpahinga or tulog, as long as kasama ko yung mga tao na happy ako, in a way nakakapag-rest na rin ako. So, yeah, yun.
Pero normally ba kung kailangan ng trabaho, ano ba yung idea mo na relaxation?
Oh wow, out of the country or out of town, man lang sana. Pero because of the tight schedule na, hindi ko siya mahanapan ngayon. But ako kasi, if kilala nyo na ako, super hilig ko rin talaga mag-travel. Actually, excited nga ako kasi balasin kami, di ba? Tama ba? Nag-travel kami with the brand. So, super excited. Feeling ko, yun yung magiging first na travel ko and pahinga na rin at the same time.
It's good to know. And lastly, kanina may teaser ng Dustin New Experience. Siguro from you and from Aromagic Care executives, baka you could give us a little teaser on what we can expect sa Dustin New Experience coming December ba? December.
Yeah.
Yes. What can we expect?
Yeah. Ako masasabi ko lang, first, sobrang thankful ako sa event na to because like ko sinasabi na gusto ko ibalik sa mga supporters or sa mga fans na sumuporta sa akin sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya yung pasasalamat sa lahat ng mga boto o sigaw o basta lahat ng naitulong nila sa akin. So, perfect timing lang, no? Actually, itong event na to is para sa kanila talaga. Feeling ko, dito ko mabibigay sa kanila yung pasasalamat ko. So, mas makapag-bonding kami, siguro. Mas makikita nila yung kung sino ba talaga si Dustin. Pag hindi, kung sino ba talaga si Dustin mag-perform. Or basta, super excited ako for you guys and for me also and for the brand of course. Kasi ito na yung hinihintay natin na experience at looking forward na maging happy tayo.
Miss Pauline, Miss April, baka mayroon yung sumutagkan regarding the last experience. Do we have a special guest po ba or other activation to the event?
Ang isang alam namin talaga na kaka-excite ng lahat, ipapakita ni Dustin yung isi-showcase niya, yung Dustin You. And kasi from the di ba, universe, yan, he will definitely sing and perform, dance and perform, and for the guests, he actually would choose his guests. So, abangan niyo po yung kanyang i-unveil, i-reveal na guests na ikakasaya ng marami.
Alright, we're looking forward to that. Salamat!
Thank you so much.